Hi, if you want to look at the Pearson Interactive e-text that's available for this title, follow the link that I provided in the email, and then you'll just sign in. The username that you're going to be using is that My Math Lab Sandbox one, and the first page you come to is this. There's a couple of titles in here right now. I might add some more, but for the Abstract Algebra course by Fraley, just scroll down a little bit and then click on Open eText. And this is an interactive ebook that you can assign readings to students and things. But if you're just reviewing the book at this point, click Open the Book. And there are a few things I'd like to point out. First, takes you to the table of contents. So just to start here, this is your cover. So this is the new edition of Abstract Algebra, 8th edition by Fraley. You can navigate simply by going through the table of contents on the right. You can also click on this navigation tab, and this lets you scroll slowly up and down throughout the book at once. You can search topics by clicking here and then typing in the topic. There's also a new feature, it's audio, so you won't hear this on this recording, but you can play with it when you pull it up yourself. You just simply click play audio, and what's going to happen is the textbook actually will narrate what's going on here and read through the book. There's a notebook for students that they can actually keep notes in, and there's also a study guide and the typical thing that you would find in any ebook, the ability to change different backgrounds and text size and different font sizes and even spacing. So one thing I'd like to point out to you in the Fraley 8th edition are some new features, and just to show you that, I made some bookmarks. So I'm going to go to the bookmarks, and you can go to the preface. This is probably the easiest way to see what's new. I've outlined this in the Excel spreadsheet, but if you scroll through this, you can see there's mini lectures that are new, key ideas, self-assessments, and these are all available within this ebook. So if I click back over the table of contents, I'm in my bookmarks. I'm going to go to Galois theory, and we'll take a look at that. So in this Galois theory, or in this chapter about Galois theory, there's the header, and then you can simply go to the next page. The beginning of each of the sections has a video, so students can click on that, and it's going to be narrated by Neil Brand talking about Galois theory. And there's audio, and of course it also has subtitles and speed that students can use to navigate the book. As you scroll down, you're going to find some other features that are available. For example, students can make highlights. So students can highlight this to add to their own notebook. They can make flashcards, and you as an instructor have a feature that's available. Let's say you want students to read this and really understand it. You can make a note as well, so you can say something specifically about this equation. Of course, you'll say something a little bit more appropriate, but then you can share this note with your students, and they're going to see that this note available over here in their notebook with your annotation of it here. So this is nice if everybody's using the ebook. You can basically interact with students this way and update it. I'm not going to say this because it isn't very helpful. There's the tables, and then there's self-reviews that are interactive, so students can choose and hit submit and get immediate feedback. All of these figures have been updated, and many of the examples have been rewritten. So this is how the interactive ebook works. If you want to go back to the main page, you can just click Home, and you're back to the main page of Abstract Algebra. This is where you can schedule readings and everything, and then get feedback on how your students are interacting with the book, or you can just simply have them use it as an interactive ebook. If you want to go back to the other Pearson titles, simply click on the P, and you're going to be back to that main home page. So if you're looking at Abstract Algebra, you can look at this book, If you want to review linear algebra by Leon, you can look at this one. This lay interactive ebook is the same interactive ebook that's included in MyLab Math. The Fraley and the Leon are not available in MyLab Math, but they do have interactive ebooks. I hope this is helpful, and I'll follow up with you to make sure you don't have any questions. Thanks.